Let's see if they can go inside Benihana's. Thank you, Claire. I appreciate that. Let's check out Benny's. I don't know if they're gonna let us in, but we shall see. Wow, they decided to put on the music. Bastards. It is empty. They're probably depressed watching all these people walk right by. Let's see how the signal holds up in here. Hello. Can I come in? Thank you very much. Very kind of you. All right. I asked. We got the wood up. All right. Dig it. Trace the ace. Let's try to be cinematic here. Beautiful. I want to buy an alchemy set of bowls, but they're pretty freaking expensive. But the good thing about getting them on Amazon is I can return them if they suck. But the alchemy bowls, you really got to be good at playing them, because you could shatter one right in your lap. Kablam! Cut your nads off. It smells fresh. You could smell. It smells seafood. It smells like the ocean if you're at the beach, but it's fresh and beautiful. Aloha. Shout out to my Hawaiian friends. All right, let's go chill down here. This is cool. Yeah, I'd probably surprise you guys. You're probably like, Bror Fredrik into the hippy dippies. I'm into anything that makes my life better. You know what I'm saying? And you should be too. Like, this would make your life better. Just hanging out here for frickin' 10 minutes. We are at the Westgate, and they let us come in the Benihana joint here, and we're just enjoying it. And we just went and played some Tibetan bowls. So I'm a mad Tibetan bowl playing freak. Oh, a drum. Very, 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 very nice. Oh, check out this dude. He's like, what up, yo? Oh, well, she said we could look around, so he's looking around. You missed the Tibetan bowls. Go back like 10 minutes. I made everyone's hair stand up. I sung it without, I could sing a bowl without having to strike it. Oh. Ooh, they gotta fix these LEDs. They're getting ready. Check it out. Yeah. They got the private rooms and everything. This place is still the joint. And it's been here since the Permian era, but it's still beautiful. Like, who doesn't want to come out here and just chill and hang out? I do. Except, like, it's in the way of the kitchen. Let's go upstairs. They said we could. I just feel, I'm completely zenned out right now. My left chakra is like against the right chakra. It feels good. Let's check her out. That's a great picture. Wow. Wow, that's all charcoal. That is beautiful. Look how nice. It's a little overexposed. You can't see how beautiful red they are. But then again, it's YouTube. Yeah, it's acting like I own the place. What up? My name's Benny. Last name Hana. Alright, let's, how do we get upstairs? Oh, we missed the upstairs spot. I want to go upstairs. Oh, right here, duh. Oh, look at this dude. He ain't messing around. Whoa. What up? Wow, look how many people have... See, I don't mind this. I don't mind the fact that the carpet has wear on it. You know? Millions of people have enjoyed to come here before we came here. I'm okay with it. Look at this. I'm totally okay with that. In this case, I would call it patina. Yeah, it's Benny's. I would call this patina based on the ambiance of the entire place. How beautiful. Oop. Yep, they're getting ready. Hello. I'm not going to bother them because they are getting prepared. Let's go this way. All right, here we go. They got an elevator, of course. You don't want to rough it like me. Yeah, this is ambiance. I'm not going to complain about nitpicky little things. Look at that. What a beautiful view. Look at that. Like most people wouldn't even know this is 3 floors. Wow. Are you digging this? Wow, I want to, oh, I could probably live at Red Rock. You know, they have the internship. What an amazing room. I'm sorry you can't see this. Let me find my, hold on. Hold everything. I'm going to find, let me put on my other, all right. Get the light on in here. I got my phone flashlight going. How beautiful. Huh. Benihana's at the Westgate. I mean, okay, someone screenshot that. I don't think I'll ever be up here again. Let me take that word sushi out. That is beautiful right there. Look at that. Bam. I'm gonna have to bow on the way out. And I don't mind. How nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Employees folding napkins, getting ready for their shift. Thank you, Claire. That's a beautiful shot. So is it. It's all beautiful. I mean, look at this. Yeah, patina. I don't know about the waving cat deals, but still, nonetheless. It's boss. Look at this. This is like a whole nother spot in here. This is the 2nd floor. Beautiful. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. We didn't walk over the bridge. Let's go walk over the bridge. Catch some more Zen activities. One of the sushi chefs beat on the drum for us. He knows what's what. Alright, okay. I want to take it all in. Let's take it all in like this here. Have a good night, Lita. Oh, they do got some fishes in there. They're goldfishes, not koi, but cool. And this does not smell an iota. You'd think with this amount of water on the inside, wow, that's nice. This amount of water on the inside, it would have a little funk going on. None. Wow. They're starting to get people in. I hope they do well. I want to see this place long-lived. This was worth the whole live to me, you know? I've been in here a million times, but getting permission, you know, and respect to do this, yeah. So I'm gonna go thank her. Okay, might as well peruse this real quick. $79? That's not bad. See, that's why I would get it from Amazon, because if I didn't like it or it didn't sing to my specifications, I could return it, you know? But yeah, $79 is way better than $2,000. I mean, that's hosiery. I bet they didn't even pay like $100 for that. Wow. Hand hammered too. No, those prices weren't bad. Not at all. Let me thank them.
That's fine. I'll call you.
Thank you. Nope.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.